Welcome back to CES 2014. I am Lamore Chaffin here for RCR Wireless, and with me is
Michael West from Dacor.
Michael West. And Michael is going to show us this incredible range that we have here. And maybe we can start off by focusing on the range so we can show this tablet technology that's built into it. So, Michael, tell us a little about it.
Sure, what you see here is this lovely interface. We just won an award for this, the Good Design Award out of Chicago. We designed this with our partner, BMW Designworks USA. And so they submitted the award for us, and we won that. So we're very glad to have that third-party endorsement.
Congratulations.
Thank you. But what you see here, it's very easy to work and operate. Right now we've got something in a cooking mode. I'll just cancel that so we can get to the mode that you see here. It's very intuitive. You have this very bright display. It's easy to see in all lighting conditions. One of the things that's built in is our cooking guide. If you don't have a recipe, you can just look through this and find what you're looking for. A lot of suggestions of popular items there. We'll just choose meat, very popular. Number one, tri-tip. Then as you click through, it'll give you a suggested mode for that. That's for medium 150 degrees. I like my tri-tip a little more rare. So you'd select that mode, then you'd hit start, and it would start cooking the device with a probe. And when it's done, it'll stop cooking, putting it in a warming mode so you don't overcook it. Now, it also has the function of the remote app. One thing you mentioned is the Internet of Things. Well, this is the first and only device that has that kind of capability with the remote app. With the remote app, you can turn on this oven in a preheat mode. So when you're at the supermarket, you got 1 hour to get something done, for example, where you can preheat your oven so when you get home in 15 or 20 minutes, it's ready to go for you. So that's nice. Consequently, you might be stuck in Los Angeles traffic, where we have been manufacturing in Los Angeles for 50 years. We're notorious for a little bit of traffic. And you may want to delay that oven, that cookie. You may have it set up, but you might be delayed for 45 minutes. So through your remote app, you could delay the cooking on that as well. So that's what you can do with the app. But you can do a lot more than that. You can download your favorite apps, and you go to this screen here. Here we have a YouTube app where you could look at a cooking demonstration by getting it right off of YouTube. And so that's something that's unique. You have it where you need it, when you need it, right there in the kitchen. So one thing we found is that people are fumbling around with iPads and cooking books and connected devices. You have it all here on your range where you need it.
You can watch that video, you can pause it, you can just move through things as you need to.
It works as a regular tablet just like you're used to right now. Now you interface with it through the application, and it's through any device that you have. This thing happens to be Android powered, and that's how it sees the app. So it doesn't matter what device or tablet you have, that's how this thing operates. And it's really built into the device, it's not added on.
So let me ask you this. So let's say we have this here, and let's say I'm working at the counter and I'm doing something in a mixing bowl. I'm going to bake a cake or something like that. So is the app going to show me when I'm looking at my Android tablet over there? It's going to show me what I need to do, and then I switch back to the oven. Am I going to be able to see here what I'm seeing over there?
Well, actually, it's even a little bit better than that because you don't have to go on your tablet to see that cooking demonstration. You would see it right here on the 7-inch screen. So it's all there. So you can just put your tablet away. It's all there on that screen. But the remote app also works inside your home as well. Now you can join your party. Typically you'll have guests over. You'll be on the patio, or you'll be in your great room, and you've got to leave to see what's going on. Well, if you have your phone with you, it'll give you an alert when it's done. And even when it's done, you don't have to rush off. You can put it in a warming mode and get to it in 15 or 20 minutes. So now, the home chef is untethered, from their device, and you can join your own party. So that's a pretty nice thing.
So since RCR is a telecom company, tell us a little bit about the infrastructure of how this is all working. It's just connecting to the Wi-Fi of the home, or how does this all work together?
Well, actually, it does all the standard things that your connected device does right now. If you have Wi-Fi in the home, or you connect up any other way, it works like any other connected device. So there's absolutely nothing special about it. It's very generic in that regard. So wherever your phone works, wherever your tablet works, inside or outside the home, this can connect up to those same networks.
So it's a plug and play.
Absolutely. Connects up the exact same way.
And where do we find the Dacor?
Well, we sell at all major premium retailers in the United States, Pacific Sales in the West, Apt in Chicago, AJ Madison in New York. So all of the places coast to coast that sell luxury appliances will be there.
Michael, thank you so much for joining us.
Great, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Have a good show.
Same to you. Thank you. And thank you for joining us here at CES 2014. Stay tuned for more from the show floor.